guys. Merry Christmas. Okay, so I've actually had a lot of people ask how I do what I do, and so I decided to just show you guys what I am actually going to be doing. Okay, I have my little helpers, so guys, just move back. Don't hit my camera. Okay. For those of you that followed me yesterday, I already pre-cooked my peppers. Okay, so this is going to reduce the process. I'm going to show you how I blend my peppers. I don't blend them to be properly cooked, and I can promise you, as this is right now, it is ready to be eaten. So it is cooked, okay? So first things first, I'm going to blend my peppers. Just a minute. I'm going to show you how I blend my peppers, okay? So I'm just going to take them in beats. So I already have the red bell pepper, the tomatoes, and some garlic and ginger already in here. And as you can see, I'm not even adding water to this. So I'm just going to use the water from the sauce already. And I'm going to be using the pulse, okay? Because I don't want it too and that is ready. So I'm going to pour it into the pot. I will do it until I'm done. If you guys are on, if you're joining me, I am actually prepping my peppers, okay, because I have an order to cook like 5 packs of the oven dried snail for a client. So I am not a caterer, guys, but if your client wants you to do stuff, you don't have a choice, you have to do it for them. And once again, that is ready. I use the pulse to blend my peppers. And I go in batches, okay? And since this is the last batch, so I'm just going to pour in the last bit of juice. And at this point, I love to use the purple onions. Okay, I'm just going to use half of it. Okay. So I'm peeling out the outer flesh, as you can see. And I'm going to add the rest of my garlic in here. And again,
wow.
and that is done. with the peppers. I'm just gonna set this aside and start with the blend chopping of the peppers, okay? Let me move this a bit to the side so y'all can see what I do. So I have my Pyrex dish here. Once I slice them, I'm just going to put them in here. And this is actually for garnishing. This actually helps to make my process faster. So once I prep all of these, it helps me a lot. Now, I like to use my bell pepper. I cut them into half. Some prefer their bell peppers in full strings, but I think I like the halves better, you know, for garnishing and presentation. So I'm just going to slice my bell peppers like this. You know, when you have kids in the house, everybody wants to hear what you're doing. They want to learn what you're doing. They want to know how you're doing what you do. Okay, so if you see me throw 1 or 2 bell peppers in my mouth, it tells you they taste so good. The secret to the peppered snail is making sure you have rich taste in your peppers, and you cannot achieve that without having your bell pepper rich and red. Your peppers itself and your garnishing. And as you notice, I have 3 colors of bell peppers. I have the green, the red, and the yellow. Okay, so I'm just gonna do I try as much as possible to de-seed them, you know, but still I love the seeds in some of them, so I keep some of the seeds. If you have questions, please do ask your questions down the line, and my daughter will read it out to me, just in case, for those of you that are watching me live. And for those of you that want to see how I'm going to cook the peppered snail, you can join me live at I'll say 6 p.m. okay, 6 p.m. just join me live, or whenever you see my alert, my video alert coming on, feel free to jump in and join me live. I think my video stopped. All right, go ahead and press the record. Is it still recording? Let me see. Okay, it's still recording. Okay, awesome, cool. It's still recording. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do. Now I'm gonna show you some of the. Snail I already am hydrating, so you can see the difference and know how good, how interesting, how delicious and sumptuous this is. And truly I'm doing this for y'all. Okay, it's a whole big pot, so I'm just going to show you guys just a little. So I already have the snail hydrating, okay, and as you can see, that is one side. It's still hydrating. You want to zoom in and show them? Yeah, come on in. Okay, so it's still hydrating. They were oven dry. I usually like to soak them for 24 hours before I can, you see how huge they are, before I can cook them.
Cook them now.
So anyway, guys, this is how I prep my peppers
Yeah.
and get myself ready for my cooking process. It makes the process easier and faster.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you are interested, feel free to join me once I go live and watch me cook. Now, for those of you I said yesterday, if your husband doesn't know how to cook like this, send them to me. I think this is the time you need to get your husbands ready by 6 p.m. to see how I do what I do, okay? All right, guys, I'm just going to stop it for now. I think this is the first part I wanted to show y'all, and hopefully you can join me by 6 p.m., okay? All righty, bye.